Question for the group. Does everybody get along with everyone else all the time? No. Are there some people that you really get along with?
Yes.
And there's some that you just, for whatever reason, it just doesn't seem to work. It's like oil and water. It's just hard to kind of do like that too. So as you probably figured out by now, the DiSCa is a very powerful tool for understanding how do you flex your style. There's 4 predominant behavior styles. D, I, S, and C that stands for, as you know, dominant, influence, right? Steadiness and conscientiousness. It's based on a model by a man named Marston that was developed back in the 20s and 30s. But one thing he said he noticed is that you can basically put people in kind of 4 behavioral tendencies. You know, not labels, not boxes, but tendencies. For instance, stand up please, just hold your paper in your hand. If you see yourself on a scale of from active to, say, more deliberate, so if you have a more fast-paced way of looking at the world, please come to this side of the room. If you have a more deliberate paced way of looking at the world, come to this side of the room. So if you're more kind of fast-paced or more deliberate, notice I didn't say slow, okay, but deliberate, that means you're thoughtful. Now, while you're like this, I want you to subdivide yourself even further, okay, and that is if you tend to be more accepting of life, what life gives you. You know, kind of don't worry, be happy, go with the flow, life is good, we can make things happen, roll with it. Go to that side of the room, but stay on this quadrant. If you're more skeptical and more doubting, and like you're from Missouri and it's this show me state, right?
Excuse me.
Then you go more to this side of the room. Okay? But stay on your axis here. Don't go beyond your axis. So this is accepting, right? This is more questioning and skeptic. So look around the room. And again, these are basically the 4 quadrants. This is how it shakes out. The way this pans out from the DiSCa is, as you might think, this would be more dominant. That means they're more. The fact is they're more fast-paced and they like to take control of situations, but they're also a little more skeptical. You know, they want to kind of questioning. Over here, it tends to be more of an I. Okay, are you an I? Okay, tend to be more of an I. Are you more of an I?
I'm more of an
I. You're kind of a best right there. Okay, tend to be a little more, more the people over here, more accepting, kind of going with the program, but they're fast-paced. Down here, it tends to be more of the what? D, I. Just be more S's, right? S's right here, because they're more S's, right? They're more accepting, but they're more deliberate pace. And over here is more of this conscientiousness group. So, but we'll see. I mean, it's not scientific yet because this is just a first glance on it. But later on, when we do the DiSCa in more detail, this is something you could do with your teams. See, because what you want people to walk away with eventually, Ms. Fox, is you want people to walk away with that difference just means different. Whereas many people think different mean what? Wrong. See, so that, and if people can get that little aha, you've hit a home run.